Installation of the Model Y passenger entertainment screen. The equipped car charger and power cord are connected to the car charger in the central armrest box, and the wiring is hidden to the center console. This step requires attention to reserve a suitable wire length, and the excess wire harness is placed in the central armrest box. Then, run the wire upward along the gap to the center console. Connect the power plug to the exclusive Copilot Entertainment Screen power interface. Tear off the auxiliary bracket sticker, and then snap the Copilot Entertainment Screen into the original car center console. The original car's special frame design makes installation very simple. After snapping, press the auxiliary bracket tightly and stick it firmly. Finally, insert the equipped OBD power signal into the OBD interface under the main driver to complete the installation of the Model Y exclusive Copilot Entertainment Screen.